Yes, I Jaja. Yes, sir. Yes, I boss man. The time has come for me to do my yearly or biannual renovations. So I got the big green bag, go sack vet, and it's out here. It's in the evening. Sun is about to set. Right now, my yard looks like an eyesore, but I got things to do. With 2 months of summertime, nice weather to do renovations, and I is getting on it. And I really bought that for the stairs because I'm beginning to dismantle my 20-year-old hardwood stairs. You see, it's missing the balusters. So I'm gonna dismantle this whole thing and put it in there. So I'm also doing some renovations in one of my rooms. I'm throwing things away. It's time to make my inside and outside of my home look better. So that's in preparation for my big reveal over here, which is my stairs. I'm gonna do this. It's kind of it's very old. 20 plus years of owning the house. When I bought the house, I built it. I had someone come out and make this. It was brand new. Now look at it 20 years afterwards. I don't really want to show it to you. So it's gonna be nice. NICE Bell. Beautiful Bell. S Ukupan. All right, man. So yeah, in America, they got this big green bag you buy from the department store, and you put all of your junk in it: bed, construction materials, anything you put in there except for electronics and tires. So you pay about $200 now, and you get rid of it. Years past, about 10 years ago, I used to pay 150. Now it's up to 200, maybe 225 now. But it's for small home renovations, and so you put everything in there. Garbage in the poubelle. Garbage, poubelle, rubbish. So I'm doing some small renovations, making sure I pack it to the brim. You know what I mean? Yes, I pack it to the brim. Hopefully the rest of that can go in here. If not, while this is still here for the next month or so, I will I will take some from that one and put it on the side of the street in small packages so that it doesn't overflow. I think all of that is from upstairs. One of my rooms up here needs to be fixed, and just a few more bags, but I have enough space. It's a huge bag. To me, it looked like it was bigger before, but you know how capitalism, Babylon, you know how Babylon does, man. After a while, Babylon starts to scheme on you and make you pay more for the same thing. Shrink the bag and make it appear like it's the same bag. But before, I used to get this huge bag for the same price, but more expensive bag, smaller, more expensive service, smaller bag. Know what I mean? But anyway, comes the end of my picnic table. It's still good, you know, still brand new, still a good table, bro. But it's time to coupe it, cut it, and throw it away. No, I don't keep things for long. That's why I recommend. Well, anyway, never mind my recommendations. I can't keep it for any. I can't keep it for much longer because look at this. It's already rusting over here. I mean, it could last a few more years and all, but I don't like it anymore. As I said, it's one of my other videos. It's my most useless purchase. We don't really sit on it. I don't really sit out here. It's on my deck. Look at these chairs here too. It's a waste. Should have been on my list of wasteful spending. Anyway, let's chop it up and let's chop it up and let's throw it away. Or before I do that, let me speak some Creole maybe. Bon, jodi a se tan pou chanje mach mon. Mach la. Step. Mwen ka servi de kay man pou moute an di da pa la pot. Pot de kay. De kay mwen. Mwen koumanse ka kwaze. Kase. Kwaze epi kase. Mach la. Mwen ka yi. Mwen yon go sak vet. Mwen ka yi mette tout bois an di dan yi. Epi yo ke vini wamase yi. Epi jete dans l'autre poubelle. Ça c'est poubelle. Petit poubelle verte. Ou quoi on ka paye $30 pour y 30. 30. Puis nom la ka vini pour go bati kay wamase. Wamase ça. Mettez dans l'autre poubelle dans truck. Puis jete tous les nanées ou pour tous les dénanés, on ka servi ça pour les moka manger en de caïman ou ben si moni on bite qui pas on go bite si moni on lo zodiz on zodiz on ka zodiz rubbish si moni autant ok gain ça tout temps pour descend et que vini Marseille et puis j'étais en poubelle. Oui, jodi a c'est un jour. On va faire ça. On va commencer à washer. On va commencer à décaler. On va commencer à croiser. Mach là. Et puis, on va wager un petit chambre de caïman. Il est presque fini. On va. J'étais. Bagay. Comment on dit ça? Bite pour couche. Bed frame. Couche. Frame. Couche. J'étais en dit de poubelle ça. Tout bite. Tab. Tab la, picnic tab, mwen teni de caïman là, donc ay point, coupé, jeté en dedans poubelle là. Tout bite mon sapon, mon sa tapé. Mwen ka jeté en dedans là. Presque tous les dénanés mwen ka prend tout bite qui pas bon, qui mon pas vle encore et puis mwen ka mette en dedans, mwen ka gagner un sac comme ça et puis mwen ka jeté tout bite. C'est pour chi moi-même pas gagner autant bite encore parce que cacher des trop j'étais comptable ça là même il bon toujours mais mon couper et puis mettre en dedans là jacapoui métal là capoui fer capoui ouais capoui Kawize, iwize. Va couper là, mettre ici. Puis ça, c'est de là. Tout bite moi ça tape mon ka jeter. Parce que mon pas aimé là comment be kay mon sale pièce. Fait belle, fait kay mon plus belle. Oh ben mon ka commencer. Mon ka commencer ça là pour voir si blessé moi là, pas oui, parce que mon haï, mon même haï, équipement, ça, équipement, mon haï, parce que il déjà ouais, coupan. Okay, so I don't like this thing. It's very dangerous, this thing. So let's see what we can do with it. Pray for me, God. Yeah, man, I always pray. I always pray after I use this shit. I tell you that much, man. Now, I mean, well, I hate this thing. I use this bullshit all the time. Jah Rastafari, I and I. Thank God I lived to see another day, man. My hand is my money maker. Now, I mean, if I chop my hands, if I lose my fingers and all, I'm done for. Bon, ça c'est tout pour aujourd'hui, même chaque temps mon servi grinder ça là, même mon père, mon souhait, mon frissonner, vous comprenez? Parce que là, même moi, c'est ça que mon fait, mon servi pour faire l'argent. Oh ben, moi fini puis, moi mettez là à coucher, un petit diable. Mon métier sur là, mon pour aider chaque temps mon service ça. Bon, ça c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. Comme on a dit, peut-être mon faire l'autre vidéo là, mon fini washer quasi tout mach là. Actuellement, regardez comme là comment regarder ça. Ah ben, ça c'est tout.